Hello friends, welcome to Srini IT. So we are going to start DevOps with AWS Cloud new batch from Monday 29th. So in this course, we are going to cover Linux, shell scripting, AWS Cloud, DevOps tools, Python scripting, real-time projects, and we will conduct some mock interviews also. For DevOps engineers, Linux is the main prerequisites. So that's why Linux we are going to start from basics. Then we will discuss shell scripting. In AWS, we are going to cover 20 plus services. In DevOps, we will cover 15 plus tools. After that, we will discuss Python scripting. Right. For DevOps people, Python scripting also very, very important. In 2024, Python scripting is going to play very important key role for the DevOps engineers. So that's why how much Python scripting is required for the DevOps people up to that level we are going to cover. And we will discuss real-time projects. Right, we will take one Python project and we will take one Spring Boot application and end-to-end setup we will showcase. So then if people are interested, we will conduct mock interviews also. The batch will start from 29/01/2024 at 7 p.m. IST, guys. Right. Anybody wants to join for free demo session, the link is available in the description. Please join for the free demo on coming Monday. Thank you, guys.